Hi friends, this is Srinivas Ramshetty. Welcome back to my channel Square Root, the channel where you learn different mathematical concepts and mathematical tricks, not by mugging up the steps, perhaps by understanding how each trick works. This week, I will be going to explain a trick of squaring a number with reference to the 10 to the power of n. Before going ahead, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon below for the notification. Now let's start. Let's say I want to find the square of a number x, and it is expressed in the form of a plus b. Yeah, one more thing to say. This week I will be directly starting from the principle behind the trick, and I will be navigating the discussion to the trick. So this discussion would be a fantastic journey. So please stay tuned. X is equal to a plus b. So x square is equal to a plus b the whole square. This is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is equal to, I will group a square plus 2ab and I will take a common. So it is a into a plus 2b plus b square. A plus 2b is a plus b plus b. A plus b is nothing but x. So a plus 2b becomes x plus b plus b square. So if x is equal to a plus b, x square is equal to a into x plus b plus b square. If x is expressed in terms of a minus b, then x square would have been a into x minus b plus b square. In general, if x is equal to a plus or minus b, then x square is equal to a into x plus or minus b plus b square. We derived the equation. If x is equal to a plus or minus b, then x square is equal to a into x plus or minus b plus b square. Now let a be 10 to the power of n and see how does x square behave. If x is equal to 10 to the power of n plus or minus b, then x square is equal to 10 to the power of n into x plus or minus b plus b square. X plus or minus b into 10 to the power of n is nothing but x plus or minus b followed by n number of zeros plus b square. If if b square is expressed in n digit format, when we do this addition, this x plus or minus b comes as it is and b square comes as it is. So if b square is expressed in n digit format, we have n zeros here, and below we have b square which is expressed in n digit format, which comes as it is, and x plus or minus b comes as it is. So x square will be x plus or minus b followed by b square, where b square is in n digit format. Suppose if b square cannot be expressed in n digit format, so in that case what will happen is the first n digits from the right hand side will come here, and the excess digits will be added to x plus or minus b. And let's see how does that behave. Let's say I want to find the square of 12. 12 is equal to 10 to the power of 1 plus 2. X is 12, n is 2, b is 2. Sorry, n is 1. 12 square is equal to 12 plus 2, that is 14. This is my first part, followed by b square in n digit format. 2 square is 4. 4 in one digit is by default in one digit format. So followed by 4. So 144. This is my answer. Let's say I want to find the square of 13. 13 is equal to 10 to the power of 1 plus 3. So 13 square is 13 plus 3, 16. Followed by 3 square. 3 square is 9. 9 in one digit format is by default 9. So 16 followed by 9, it is 169, which is our answer. Let's say I want to find the square of 98. 98 is equal to 10 to the power of 2 minus 2. X is 98, n is 2, b is 2. So 98 square is equal to first part x minus b, 98 minus 2, that is 96, and b square in n format. 2 square is 4. We want it in n format, we write it in 0, 4. So 9604, this is our answer. Let's say I want to find the square of 96. 96 is equal to 10 to the power of 2 minus 4. 96 square is x minus b, that is 96 minus 4, 92, followed by b square in 2-digit format. 4 square is 16, it's by default it's 2-digit format. 92 followed by 16, 9216. This is our answer. Let's say I want to find the square of 114. 114 is 100, that is 10 to the power of 2 plus 14. X is 114, n is 2, b is 14. So 114 square is equal to x plus b. 114 plus 14, that is 128. This is our first part. Then n square, b square, that is 14 square is 196. We have to express it in a 2-digit format. We can't express it in 2-digit format, so we could consider only 96 here and taking 1 here. 14 square is 196. So 128 plus 1 is 129, followed by 96. This is our answer. I will be ending the session for this week here. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Next week, I will be coming up with few more tricks on squaring. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.